Galing po natin ang mga riders sa puntang starting gate.
Her bike's a bullet cutting through the light. Every leap she takes defies the sky. Darling Texon's name will never die. Queen of the race, she's riding free. Breaking the rules like a symphony.
Darlene Texon, Brielle Hernandez on third.
Darling's got the fire, no one can
Coming in
compare.
on board, 216 Isa Pineda, 11 JF Villaflor.
She's number one in the motorsport game. Her rivals crash while she claims the fame. Twisting the throttle, she a daredevil dream racing through the night. Queen of the race, track she's riding free, breaking the rules like a symphony. Jumping motors, carving out the air. Darling's got the fire, no one can compare.
That is Mia Villalon on the lead. On second, we have Darlene Texon.
Queen of the racetrack, she's riding
Oh, yellow
free,
flag for Mia
breaking the
Villalon.
rules like a
It is
symphony.
now Darlene Texon on the lead.
Jumping
Brielle
motors,
Hernandez
carving
on
out the
second.
air. Darling's got the fire, no one can compare.
Marshall, yellow flag sa taas, sa taas, sa
She'll
taas.
never see a shadow chain her destiny. Fearless and fierce.
It is now 4-2-0 Darlene Texon and Brielle
Queen, and it
Hernandez for the
surely
first
shows.
battle.
Queen
First
of the
position battle.
racetrack, she's riding free, striking thunder for the world to see.
On third, we now have here Isa Pineda. Talking up behind, we have here round number 2, Janelle Solon and 22, Mia Villalon.
So while we in the club, better get these drugs on the street, ain't no action.
She's burning rubber in the dirt tonight. Her bike's a bullet cutting through the light.
Here we have it once again, Darlene Texon and Brielle Hernandez taking
Every
position.
leap she takes defies the sky.
Darlene Texon down to second. On third position, we have Isa
Darling
Pineda.
Texon's name will never die. Queen of the racetrack, she's riding free, breaking the rules like a symphony. Jumping motors, carving out the air. Darling's got the fire, no one can compare. She's number one in the motorsport game.
First position between Brielle Hernandez
Her rivals crash while she claims the fame. Twisting the throttle, she a daredevil dream racing through the night. Queen of the racetrack, she's riding free, breaking the rules like a symphony. Jumping motors, carving out the air. Darling's got the fire, no one can compare.
Crossing off on sixth position, we have 22, Mia Villalon.
Queen of the
Here we go,
racetrack, she's riding
inside
free,
and outside.
breaking
Brielle
the
Hernandez,
rules like a
Darlene Texon onto the
symphony.
track.
Jumping motors, carving out the air. Darling's
Coming
got the
in, we
fire,
have
no one
Denise
can
Espo for first position lead.
compare.
Darlene Texon over
Dustin
to
awake, but she'll never see a shadow chain her destiny. Fearless and fierce, her legend grows. Moto's queen, and it surely shows. Queen of the racetrack, she's riding free, striking thunder for the world to see. Jumping motors coming out the air. Darling, saxophone stands beyond all dare. She's burning rubber in the dirt tonight. Her bike's a bullet cutting through the light. Every leap she takes defies the sky. Darling, Texon's name will never die. Queen of the racetrack, she's riding free, breaking the rules like a symphony. Jumping motors coming out the air. Darling's got the fire no one can compare. She's number one in the motorsport game. Her rivals crash while she claims the fame. Twisting the throttle, she a daredevil dream racing through the night. Queen of the racetrack, she's riding free, breaking the rules like a symphony. Jumping motors coming out the air. Darling's got the fire no one can compare. Queen of the racetrack, she's riding free.